How BJP is preparing for the elections and what are you supporting?
BJP is not putting up any candidates in both the Shillong and the Tura constituency, and directive has come from the central command that we are supposed to support the NDA alliance partner, which is the NPP. So we had a meeting with them. We had where national president was present there, Mr. Conrad Sangma, and we had worked out the modalities and how to go about it. And now we are all for the ensuring that the NDA alliance partner wins both the seats from Shillong and from Tura. We are going out to our Karyakartas at the ground level and telling them and convincing them that we have to ensure that the NDA wins both the seats of Shillong and Tura. And and definitely we will win both seats. The president himself, national president himself, had come to address us. I believe there's another meeting tomorrow to address the issues that the BJP workers from Garo Hills have got.